Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you...
Hello Lovies, welcome back to another video for Vlogmas. Today I'm going to be making a beautiful Christmas nature inspired tablescape. I have gotten most of this stuff that you see here, like my plates and my tablecloth, from the Goodwill. So I spent about $11 from the Goodwill. I think these plates and this tablecloth are absolutely gorgeous. Most of the things that are going to go on this table are nature inspired, like I said. So they are from the outdoors, pine cones, pine. I dried a lot of oranges at the beginning of the season with cranberries and such to decorate my home because I wanted an old-fashioned Christmas. I'm going to be using some of those pine cones from outside, and I got a beautiful poinsettia that I actually won in a previous vlog. When we were at the party, I actually won the table centerpiece, which was a poinsettia that actually inspired this tablescape. So I won that. I was gifted the napkins and the napkin ring holders that I'm going to be doing in a totally different way. So pretty much the only things that I really bought brand new, and they're used because they're from the Goodwill, for my beautiful tablescape really is the tablecloth and the plates. So I'm going to get into this. I really hope that you enjoy this video. I was so excited to do this because I love bringing elements from outside in. I just went in my backyard. I cut down some beautiful pine. It smells amazing. I picked up pine cones and I used my oranges, and I'm telling you, it smells and looks like Christmas. These are the adorable napkins that I was gifted by a family member. I absolutely love them, and I think they go perfect with my theme because they have an adorable little fox on them with little antlers on his head. It is so stinking cute, and it says "'Tis the season" in that mauve-y color that picks up perfect with the poinsettia. And I'm gonna lay one of those down on each one of my placemat, oh my goodness, I totally forget what these are called, chargers. Also, I got those chargers from the dollar store way earlier in the season. I actually purchased those for Thanksgiving but ended up not using them. I also got my salt and pepper shakers from the Dollar Tree way earlier in the season as well, and I thought they'd be great to pick up the chargers on the table. My candlesticks and my little tree that you see there I also picked up from the Dollar Tree quite a bit of time ago. So I don't consider those new pieces because I bought those prior, but they did come from the Dollar Tree. And even these poinsettias, they came from the Dollar Tree as well. They were just a poinsettia pick that I cut into different pieces and stick in the live greenery just to bring more of that red through and to bring that big poinsettia in the middle kind of down throughout all of the live pine. I love how this looks. And then with those napkins, I was gifted the napkin rings, which have that beautiful green and that like orangey yellow color. So I thought I would put the silverware and kind of fan it out. And I thought the yellow green color would actually pick up the plates because it's that same kind of pine green. But the yellowy orange would actually pick up the dried oranges throughout the greenery. And I really, really love how this turned out. It really popped the plate, and I think it pulled all of the colors together. Let me know what you think down in the comments. So one of the things that I really feel like my tablescape is missing, of course, is glasses. I would really love to use wine glasses. In the process of moving here to New Jersey, all of my wine glasses broke except for one. So I can only show you what one would look like, but I believe if all of the table had wine glasses on here, it would just pull it all together, make it look so elegant, so beautiful. So I hope you kind of get a little vision with my one little wine glass that made it. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for joining me today, lovies. I love you, but know that Jesus loves you so much more. And I'll see you tomorrow in another Vlogmas.